bottom of the tiger bit, there is a nature trail. And we're going to show it to you. Follow us.
Walk this way. Down the hill. So be careful if you've got buggies and things, you are going down the hill. We are still seeing baby tigers everywhere. So here we are, we're going to the Colchester nature area into the bright sunshine. So if I pick up anything, it'll be interesting. We've got all these trees, all these different trees. Called it. It's quite safe. We've got these the path with chicken wire in it. It's all fenced in, so you can't fall over the edge. Yeah. Beautiful area. Got all sorts of bushes. And I'll show you where I want to get round. They have these did you know plaques. I can zoom in. Did you know? This is probably about a rabbit. It's food, cover. Got food to eat. Stick insects, interesting one. There's a Kelly. She's not an insect.
Are you sure?
Yeah. She might bug some people, but not me. Fat feeders, so on these, they have these bird feeders, which is really cool. On this feeder, there he is. A lovely bird. Oh, two birdies. Fighting over the feed.
Is that a robin?
It doesn't. No, it's not got a red breast.
I only saw the head.
Could be a finch.
Mm.
What's that? There's another one here. Where are you? You're in there somewhere. There you are. This little thing was hiding. Don't know what it is. It's quite an interesting bird. Kind of acts like a chicken. Just here. And more birdies. You have these boards for what you might spot. There could be species. Not really like these. Good for honey. There's this brook. Goes all the way out. Quite good. Oh, they do have benches, so you can wait for the niche to come and find you. The butterflies love stinging nettles. Don't know what it is about them, but they absolutely love stinging nettles and brambles. They eat it. But yeah, there are all sorts of bushes. Got new trees growing all the time. They have these interesting butterfly boxes, which is quite cool. So a little home that tells you how to attract or what they eat. So if you want butterflies, you know what to do. And you've got lovely insect boxes, or butterfly boxes, all around this one here. They crawl inside, and get what they want, and they hide. And it's actually really large nature reserve for them. So yeah, here's the dragon. We just had a little break. Just to enjoy some of the nature. As I said, they've got all these little new shrubs. Oh, I've got to the camera. Quite nice little boxes. Yeah, it's quite an interesting one. This one, there's a ladybird house, so these are the make. So yeah, bit of nature right here. There's a bee or a wasp, and this lovely pepper flower gathering its nectar, and it's gone. Yeah, you get lots of wildlife. I imagine there's bee, rabbits and all sorts running around in this part over here, because it is massive an area. Yeah, it's nice to have it. The benches are nice. They've got these little imprints of a ladybird, dragonfly, butterfly, ant. Is that an ant? I don't know. It's a red ant.
Something.
And some weird bug.
That might be nice.
All these logs for woodlice, stick insect. Well, stick insects, yeah, I suppose. Ants to crawl inside. There's nice little areas for them all to come into. And we're on a little bridge type thing over the top of it all. The brook is still here, following us along. I've got more did you know plaques, so you can check these out. I've got one for hedgehogs, insect life.
Nice viewing area.
Yeah, you've got
With
some
giant
binoculars for seeing little bits.
grasshopper.
Yes, at the end, if we come over this way, we have the biggest bug you can see,
See the sunshine?
which is this grasshopper. If you can't see this one,
Can you see any
yeah, so we've got grasshoppers.
You can, are they in there?
You'll hear the grasshopper before you see it. More logs. And this pond area, which is really good for frogs. So let's go around and see.
That's what we call the twiggles and the bobbles, isn't it?
It all goes through one stream. So the stream we went up to from earlier, up that way, it comes all the way down here and back up the other way into this pond area. Well, on here they have information about some of the birds you can see. So you've got the wood pigeon, which is interesting, which is quite interesting to know. All year round. Oh, we've got some dragonflies. If I can slow down. It'd be nice to see it, but I don't think it's going to slow down. But you will see dragonflies around here. I just can't at the moment because it's flying too fast. Usually they hover. This one and the other ones are going berserk. Yeah, nice time to see dragonflies actually. So you've got your frogs, newts.
Hotel.
There you go, you've got a sign for a bug hotel. I'm assuming it is this massive great big bush, which would hold all sorts of things because the birds can't get inside it because it's got thorns. And obviously the birds don't like thorns. They have had special events here as well. One time they were catching as many balls as they could from inside this pond, supervised by the Colchester Zoo staff. So you've got more pond area. This bit you can't really go out onto, but they have all these plaques when it is open. They have all the plaques. I suppose it's you have to be supervised here, and they haven't got the staff at the moment to see what is inside. So there's all these little crabs and sea urchins, not sea urchins, pond stuff. Tell her come here often.
Oh, it's, yeah.
There's all sorts of bits. There's also a hiding box, so you can look at the birds and see what birds you're spotting in this little shed type thing up here. So we've got the bird hide and the classroom. This teaches you about some of the books we've got, so maybe I should come here more often. Inside, I love the theming inside this room actually. This room is very themed for pond life. Massive window onto more of the pond. You've got bulrushes and more dragonflies. It's a massive window.
Shelter from the rain.
Yeah, well, it's good shelter from the rain, yes.
What
and
rain?
on the windows, they've got all images of birds you can possibly see. So you can go check it out.
Not to see any birds in there.
No. This time you can have the common pipistrelle, is it? Bat? If you come here, hopefully Halloween time, you never know, you might see bats actually flying.
That's the giant bug.
Oh look! Hello lady. Bug. There's another giant bug. Just never good to find all the bugs. They've actually, this was actually grown, but they've actually chopped some of it down for some reason.
Didn't this used to be?
There used to be a cockroach or another bug inside this one.
Yeah, a giant one.
And they've got rid of it, which is quite weird, but they've got these lovely berries. These are good for the birds. The birds love these berries. Oh, here we go, here's the bug. It's a little beetle type. I say little beetle, it's a big beetle. But yeah, that's... Ah, it's a stag beetle. There you go. You might find some stags.
You already had some stag.
Oh yeah, I've had a stag, yeah, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. And then we come out. This is a different entrance, but if this one's closed, you can just walk back around the way you went.
There's 2 food outlets.
And you're back to where you are, where you started. This just comes out the side entrance of the tigers. So there's many views of tigers. Next to the little shop, which is actually open. Some of the shops haven't been open due to starvage. Yeah. Due to starvage.
Now you can go.
We're just about to go into the Lost Madagascar Express. A lovely little train ride. It's available.
It does get very busy during the weekends, summer holidays, or any school holidays.
They've actually extended the queue for this. Yeah, it used to be a short queue, but they've had, because of the how busy it gets, they've had to extend it. So we have to go through this lovely. Actually, I guess that's like a tiki islandy type walkway. But again, plenty of nature. Very dark. Oh, we're going inside. Going inside.
Little babies are playing.
Aww. Tiny little dogs. Oh yeah, I can see it. Look at the little tiny one. Oh, that's so cute. That's so funny. Aww. He's trying to get up. Oh wait, we're trying to crawl over his face. Okay. How many are there? It's quite a few actually. About 7, 8 in here. So we've made it onto the train. We're just waiting to leave. This goes through the Lama, isn't it? Lima? Lima.
Maybe.
Maybe, okay. For the Lima. Exhibit.
Certain things you can't see unless you do the train trip.
Yeah. So hopefully we'll see some good stuff. Very interesting. So catch you in a bit.
Most importantly, as they are wild animals, if they do approach you, I know it is very tempting, but please do not try to touch or stroke the lemurs. It's really lovely. As you can see, they've got a lovely thick fur coat, nice and warm and dry. And they will have slept outside last night, but then they sleep outside pretty much every night. They very rarely go into their indoor quarters.
So we are heading into the lemur encounter. Hopefully we see some lemurs.
Terrorist down there.
I think so. Do you see those ones? See them in the corner over there? Right the way on the back. And then there's one right in front of you here.
What's he eating? He's eating grass and leaves. It looks like he's eating celery, actually.
Buddy, Mummy. Let's go this way.
They have a habit of hiding under here.
They're right here with us.
They don't look like lemurs though.
No, they don't. They're weird. Mind you, the other ones do that because they must be young, like babies, because they haven't got the colouring. Those are really baby ones.
And they contain cankers and pink. Now as that builds up, the feathers go pink.